this quick how-to video, we're going to look at setting up a preset plus purge delivery. So a delivery of one product with a line change onto another, ready for the next delivery. Engine control is the first option on the first menu. To scroll down this menu, press the blue menu button. In the brackets here is the product that OptiMate knows is currently in the line. To enter the delivery menu, press the OK button. We wish to deliver diesel, press the green OK button to accept. Now the mode of this delivery is preset plus purge. So we press the blue menu button to scroll down until we see that displayed. When preset plus purge is displayed, press the green OK button. Here we input the preset volume. So this preset volume is the total volume of product that we wish to deliver to the customer, including the line change. So if the customer has asked for 300 litres, we would input the preset volume as 300 litres. So the thousandths increment is currently flashing. To change this selection to the hundreds, press the blue selection button. Once the hundredths is flashing, we can modify this volume now using the red modification button to 300, which is the total volume we wish to deliver. Once we're happy with the volume displayed, press the green validation button to accept. We'll take diesel from compartment 2, press the green OK button to accept that. Now OptiMate is asking us, what do we want to line change onto? What do we want to purge with? So the product that we want to purge with is kerosene. So that our next delivery is kerosene delivery. So we press the blue selection button until we see kerosene displayed. When the correct product is displayed here, press the green OK button, and we can select the compartment then that we want to take the kerosene from to complete the line change. So compartment 1, OK. Start high flow is now displayed. Press the green OK button to begin this delivery. So when OptiMate knows that we reach a point in the delivery where we need to start bringing this line change in, the first thing it will do is pause the delivery. Once the delivery is paused, the first thing that will happen is the compartment we're delivering the original product from will close and the manifold will automatically empty. Once the manifold is empty, the compartment containing the new product that we're line changing onto will open and flood the manifold with that product. Once OptiMate is happy that the manifold is flooded with the new product, it will then continue the delivery to achieve the original preset volume. Once the preset volume has been achieved, end delivery will be displayed. Press the green OK button to accept. Delivery finished, OK. We can stop the engine by pressing the green OK button, or to leave the engine running, press the red clear button, and we'll press the green OK button to print the ticket for that delivery. Once that ticket is finished printing, OptiMate will return to engine control, which is the first option on the first menu. And now if we press the blue menu button to scroll down to delivery, we can see the new product there in the brackets, ready to begin that next delivery.